What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be taking you through frame job from Legion. First of all, we'll need to purchase an LTV with a turret, then use it to kill 10 enemies in Ahkdar Village and destroy it in the Mawizeh Marsh. This is super simple to do as we only need to buy this vehicle once, then once we have it we can complete these delivery missions, deliver cargo in order to get another LTV in a different game if you don't want to complete things again. So assuming you either buy one or you have bought one before and that part of the mission is ticked off already, you can complete a delivery mission to get one yourself. Then we simply need to head across to the south of the map by Ahkdar Village and we need to get 10 kills inside of here using the mounted turret. We can hit X on PC to switch seats, otherwise on console you'll see the button at the very bottom. It is somewhat armored, though you are still a sitting duck, so you probably want to make sure you're at least relatively hidden away. You don't want to be out in the open, especially if a grenade comes your way. So driving across to Ahkdar Village, I'll be entering from the north here, though I won't be going too deep. I'll be getting kills from the outskirts. So already I can see 2 people mounting the gun and firing some shots. There's 3 kills already. So I've already got 10 kills. I just need to make my way north up to the Mawizeh Marshlands where we need to destroy the vehicle. Unfortunately, it's already destroyed here, so I'll need to complete another delivery mission in order to get another LTV. So looking for nearby delivery missions. There's one of them up here by the hydroelectric plant, so I think I'll need to navigate across them. I'll grab a vehicle while I'm here and get them. Obviously, you're supposed to be doing this all at one go, but if the vehicle doesn't make it, don't worry too much about it. As long as you take one item off the list, it's fine, you can continue to the next, as long as you get another LTV in anyway. Right, so now I've got another vehicle from the delivery mission, now to just deliver it, avoiding the helicopter and of course players. So the trick to avoiding the helicopter is simply looking where it's firing and driving the other way. It's as simple as driving off axis from where you want to go and suddenly changing direction to the other way whenever it starts shooting in your direction. It's very easy to keep this pretty much at full health. Next up I'll mark something in the Mawizeh Marshlands just so we know how to get there, and we'll navigate across maybe the railway and turn right somewhere here. Anywhere inside of the Mawizeh Marshlands is good, just as long as you're able to destroy the vehicle. Taking explosives is usually the easiest thing to do, but of course if worst comes to worst, you do always have weapons. Semtex, that's great. C4, even better. You'll know you're in the area when you see Mawizeh Marshlands at the top of your screen, and of course you'll get a POI visited bit of XP. Now to just get rid of the vehicle. So 3 Semtexes, we've destroyed the vehicle, and just like that, we're done with the frame job mission. It's relatively simple, especially when you understand what to do, but it is definitely far from easy, especially if you're solo. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!